I'm Sumit and I'm a Senior Business Development Manager at Signity Solutions. Today, we are diving into a very relevant questions that every sales pro out there is finding. How AI is revolutionizing or evolving for sales game from end-to-end solution. So I'm not doing this alone. Today, I have with me someone who has a decade of experience of doing this and has been a forefront for this shift.
Hi guys, I'm Pramod, Head of Sales here. I'm really excited to be a part of this interesting discussion on role of AI into sales. Today we're going to explore more that how AI is not just a buzz, but it actually making a difference in sales. It actually helping salespeople saving their time and focus on what truly matters.
Great, it's a pleasure having you on board. So let's kick it off. My first question is, how is AI changing the life of sales representatives?
Honestly, as far as my experience is concerned, so I would say that the major shift I have seen with the help of AI is in speed and focus. So earlier sales reps had to juggle with so many tools and a lot of tasks, which are not important with respect to sales, but AI is helping sales reps streamlining everything, starting from prospecting, follow-ups, even getting the documentation ready, and everything is without replacing the human touch.
Wow. Okay, so you are saying that it's more like trimming the fluff?
Yeah, exactly. So basically, AI is helping automating every boring part of sales so that sales reps can stay in their zone.
Wow. Now let's talk about prioritizing outreach. So there's so much like buzz out there, like everyone is making so much noise that outreach is handed and people are looking for more solutions. But now my question is how AI is cutting it through.
There are so many tools these days in the market actually that not only give you the contact details of the decision makers, but they also help you to find out the intent signals to, give you an idea that whether those prospects are actually looking for these kind of services or products which you're trying to pitch them out.
So it's more like less cold calling and like perfect timing.
Yeah, exactly. So I would say that these days it's less about timing. It's more about the quality outreach, knowing that who is ready to talk, not just who is on the list.
All right, now let's move on to cold outreach. So I have got fed up getting so many spam emails with same thing written again and again. So what's the solution for that?
So as you know that cold outreach is always tough and at times, it gets very boring. So what AI does, AI can scan the profile of prospects, over social media. It can see like what kind of post, they have recently shared over LinkedIn or other kind of websites. And it can analyze the recent news or what exactly is happening within their company. So based on, all that research, AI help us to draft some lines which we can use in our outreach, which actually makes a connection. And when you make a connection with the prospects, then how you get more replies.
Got it. So you're saying like rather than writing, hey Pramod, how are you doing? You would give a personal touch using AI.
Yeah, exactly. So then you can modify your lines like, congratulations on Series B funding. So your team is growing, and that's how you change the game.
I'm a salesperson, so I have to create so many documentation, RFPs, RFIs. So how is there a solution for me as well, like how to use AI to create documents quickly?
So as we all knows that proposal writing is always very important and it's always very time consuming for the BA team and even for the sales team. So with AI, you can input some basic ideas or some basic insights about the job requirement. You can use any LLM and you can provide all the inputs, and based on that, AI can help you with the more refined kind of document. And it can also use your past data, like the past case studies or the past service descriptions you might have used while drafting other proposals. And with the help of that, you always come up with a document which is not absolute ready. It could be 60 to 70% ready, but you can pass that document to your BA team, and then your BA team can fine tune that document, and then you get the final version which you can share with the client.
So instead of starting from zero, you were saying that we can edit that's already been written?
Yeah, exactly. And that's how you save a ton of time, especially when you're tight on deadlines.
Let's say I have a sales funnel. How does AI will help me in figuring out who is serious and who is actually just browsing?
All right, so this is the place actually wherein the lead scoring comes into picture. So with the help of AI, you can define a lot of data points in your CRM based on your industry or based on your buyer persona. You can define different data points based on that. AI can help you coming up with a lead score, and you can see that lead score with respect to each and every lead within CRM. And after getting that lead score, a sales professional can decide like where to invest time and what leads are actually just there for browsing or just doing the window shopping.
Okay, so you mean less time chasing tire kickers?
Yeah, exactly, and more time chasing the real deals.
So I have another question for you. How can AI support during client calls?
This is one of my favorite use cases. So recently, you can see that there are so many tools available, with the help of AI, who actually joins you or your meetings, like on Google Meet or other tools, And those tool does, so they actually start recording your meeting. They help you with the transcription, and even after the meeting, they send you a quick summary of the meeting with exact notes. Everything is in there, right? I mean, being a sales guy, if you are in the meeting, you don't need to take notes, so it saves a lot of time. And even after the meeting, you get automated email from the tool side with the exact summary of the meeting. Even it suggests you the next points or the key insights of the meeting, and even it also help you coming up with the action plan. So yeah, I would say that these tools are really a game changer these days.
You recently visited Singapore for Super AI event. How was that? Would you like to share some experience with us?
Yeah, it was a great experience. I think Super AI event in Singapore was sort of an eye-opening for me. I got to see so many people coming from different countries, from different industries, and it was a great experience meeting with those people. I built so many new connections, and speakers were top-notch. And I would say that I felt lucky that I witnessed that how AI is evolving, and how actually AI is being used in real business case scenarios.
So I have a final question for you. You have been in industry for over a decade now. You have dealt with so many clients, and AI is just evolving. So how do you maintain balance with AI and traditional approaches?
That's a great question. I believe striking that balance is the key. And I believe that it all starts with the mindset. As a sales leader, we need to see AI as a tool which empowers your team, not something that replaces them. So basically, AI can help you with data heavy points like drafting the proposals or coming up with the right kind of outreach messages, or even suggesting you the right follow-ups at right time. But building the real connection with the clients, building trust, understanding their emotions, this is something which always comes from people.
Okay, so the end goal is like AI enhancing humans rather than replacing them.
Yeah, so for me, the right balance is investing into AI tools that makes your team more efficient.
Thank you so much for your time, Pramod. It was really nice talking to you, and thanks for sharing your wisdom with us.
Anytime, sales is evolving, and I would say that this is just the beginning.